Salted honey is a more.
You need to go.
Tell you what though. Oh, this looks good. Well, this is one of my favorites. The custard eclairs. How much are those?
$4.36 after tax.
Okay, I'll take 2 and a cup of coffee if that's all right.
You want 12 or 16 ounces of coffee?
Pardon?
12 or 16 ounces of coffee?
12. I just had some.
Second round. Can I get anything else today?
No, that'll be all.
Sure.
2 of those eclairs.
2 eclairs? Okay. Alrighty. It is 11:45. Of course, I was gonna think Robert Lee, you know.
My allergy. Yeah, and this. Allergy. My cholesterol has become it's really too big for my washing machine. The last time I did it, it takes things like that.
Yeah, that was
Yeah, so just take it.
We're gonna hear the yard.
The laundromat up there.
And that.
Across from Kroger is.